here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a nice, clean, fresh face makeup. You know, you want to look cute and fresh every single day, and today is the day I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we get started into this video, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, right here, right now, and also turn on your bell because I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. And I also have a vlog channel that is out right now, so I will put that link down below in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. But yeah, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so right now I just came out of the shower. I am dry. You guys know I have dry skin and I need to moisturize my face. Before you guys do any single makeup or do any foundation on your face, the number one thing, you have to moisturize your face. Especially if you have dry skin like me, you have to moisturize, you have to prime and all of that. So right now I'm going to go into my favorite moisturizer. This one is the Morphe Moisturizer and Rejuvenating Cream, and I'm also going to be using my hyaluronic acid, and I got these from my facial when I did my facial. So first I'm going to go ahead and start with my moisturizer, and I do sometimes have to put on a lot of moisturizer because my skin gets dried out very fast. Then right after, I'm going to go into my Hydra facial, and this have hyaluronic acid in it. So now you see that my face looks very fresh and really moisturized comparing to when I just came on camera. You could definitely see the difference. So afterwards, I'm going to go do my eyebrow real quick off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. Did my eyebrow off camera. I put that concealer all the way down. You guys already know. You already know the concealer that I'm using. Nothing new here. But anyways, back to the face. So now that the moisturizer and everything is soaked into my skin, I always do this first. I always put my moisturizer and my hyaluronic acid on first, and then I do my eyebrows so that it could soak into my skin. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my foundation. The foundation that I'm going to be using is a Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 355 Coconut. This is very good, and I'm not going to put a lot because this is a fresh face makeup tutorial. When you're doing a fresh face makeup tutorial, you want to look like you don't have on makeup, but you have on makeup. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put a little bit, to be honest, and I'm not going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to be using a brush this time. This is a knockoff. I did do a tutorial on this. This is a knockoff, but it's really good. So I'm just going to put a little bit and just put it onto my face and then rub it in. Okay, so you see how it looks? My skin just looks so glowy and nice. It looked like I have on makeup, but it looked like I don't have on makeup. So that's what you want to get, okay? So next, I'm going to go into my concealer. So the concealer I'm going to be using is the NARS concealer, and I picked up the shade Amendment Medium Dark 3. If I'm pronouncing it right, Amendment. I'll put it up on the screen. But anyways, this is a NARS. You could go in with something else, but this NARS concealer, the color, the shade is close to my skin complexion. Look, it's not too light and it's not too dark, so it will definitely give under my eyes a little pop, and I'm not going to put on too much. But make sure you go down to the bridge of your nose so that it give it a, you know, a slight contour. So just make sure you put it right down to your nose. And I'm going to use my beauty blender this time, and I'm going to blend it out. So after I blend it out, anything left on the sponge, I just go down where my smile line is. You could take your concealer and put it down here, which I sometimes do, but I don't want to be too, you know, too much on the concealer. So I'm just gonna take whatever is left and put it down where my smile line is, because I do have crazy smile line. So next, what you want to do is go in with your setting powder, and I'm using my mini Laura Mercier. I know I have to get the bigger one. I love it, to be honest. I really love it. It's not even done yet. It still have more in there, so I'm just gonna keep on using it, but I'm definitely gonna get the bigger size. And if you do have dry skin, please do not set your under eyes. I'm begging you. So just take it, pat it under where you put your concealer. And afterwards, you're gonna quickly wipe it off. This is what I do. I tried it already, and I left it under my eyes for like a minute, and my skin was so dry. So get a brush and just quickly wipe it off with your finishing powder. I'm using this finishing powder today. I normally go in with my MAC, but today I saw this in my my makeup collection, and I was like, oh, I haven't used this in a very long time. Let me try it. So this one is medium dark prime and stay finishing powder, and this is from e.l.f. and I don't know how it, I forgot about it, so I'm gonna try it today, and I'm just gonna brush it off, and I'm gonna put it all over my face just to set the rest of my face. Alright, so now that's all done. You can, if you want to, go in with your eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my Morphe. This one is the 3502 palette, and I am gonna go in with, to be honest, I really don't want to put on any eyeshadow today because I'm going out, and where I'm going is just really nothing too crazy, so I might just go in with either one or two. But for start, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna take it right onto this brush and just put it all over. I might just go in with one shade or two, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with two, and I'm gonna take this shade right over here. I never used it before. I'm gonna take this shimmery, it's kind of like golden color shade, and I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush right here. As you can see, the color, it looks so nice, and I'm gonna only take it right onto the lid. Afterwards, I'm gonna go into that same first color, and I'm just gonna blend out the harsh lines only. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my contour kit. You guys already know I need to just get a new contour kit because every single video from day one I've been using this, and as you can see, this is the only shade I use, and it's Hidden Pan. I really need to get a powder contour that I really love, the way how I love this, but I'm gonna quickly do, I'm joking everything. I'm gonna quickly do a little contour, just a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy. So next I'm gonna go in and set my face. I'm using this, almost finished by the way. I'm using my badescu spray, and this one is in rose herbal and rose water. I love this. You guys know already, I drench my skin. I drench. So afterwards, I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna take this golden shade. I'm gonna mix both of them, and I'm gonna take it right onto a small Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna put it right into here. So next, I'm gonna go into my Artistry collection, and I'm gonna take this nice, lovely mascara here, and I'm gonna put it right onto the lashes. I'm not gonna put on any false lashes today. So next, for the lips, you're gonna go in with your eyeliner. This one is from Patrick Starr, his first collection with MAC, and this one is Mahogany. And I'm gonna go into Instagram, and this one is from ColourPop. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this nice, easy, simple makeup tutorial, and this was all about the fresh face glowy makeup look. This was really fun. I really like doing this, and I like to look like I have on makeup, but I don't have on makeup. You gotta kind of like, do she have on makeup? She looks really good as she don't have on makeup, but she has on makeup. No, she doesn't. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this nice fresh face makeup glowy look. I don't know what to call it. Nice fresh face makeup look. And don't forget to check me out. Make sure you subscribe. Tune into my vlog channel. I will put that link down below. And I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.